Good morning children. Today we are going to learn the word problems in division. So here from the example only I have given from page number 127. 9,188 melons are to be distributed in 69 shops. How many melons will be given to each? So they are asking for 69 shops are given. How many melons for 69 shops? They are asking for 1. Each means 1. Each means 1. So already I told, if it is given for many and asked for 1 means you have to divide. So each means 1. So they are asking for 1, so you have to divide. And for problem, statement is important. In this periodic test, many of you did not write the statement. I had minus the mark. I didn't give the full marks. If your answer is correct also, I won't give the marks. For writing only the calculation. For problems, statement is important. So first you have to write the statement. Okay, so total number of melons. Okay, first total number of melons 9,108. Number of shops is 69. So each shops get. Therefore, each shop gets how many number of melons? That is, you have to divide by 69. So this equal sign should be in the same place. So now let's divide. (69). So if you don't know the 69 table, already I taught you how to do the 69 table in different way. In one way I told you to add two digit numbers. You can add like this. This is 61, ones are 61. This if you add 18, carry over 1, 12 plus 1, 13. So this is 2 times. So this way you can add and go. So this is 3 times. Like that up to 9 you can add and go. Otherwise I also taught you how to do this 9 table and 6 table you write, then you add it. That way also we can do. So I will do the shortcut. Okay, let me teach you the shortcut. So this single digit, first 9 table here, 6 table I have written here. This last digit you write as it is. Again this 3 you add with this number. 24 plus 3, 27. So this is 4 times. Again this last digit you write as it is. This 4 you add here. So 30 plus 4, 34. This is 5 times. Again this 4 you will write as it is. This 5 you add here. So 36 plus 5, 41. So this is 6 times. Again this 3 you write as it is. This 42, this 6 you add with this 42. 42 plus 6, 48. Again you write this 2 as it is. This 7 you add here. So 48 plus 7, 55. So this is 8 times. Again this 1 you write here. 54 plus 8. 54 plus 8, 62. So this is 9 times. So this is the way you can do the shortcut. This is 69 table. To write 69 table, 9 table you write. Again 6 table you write. All this ones number, ones place you write as it is. Other remaining digits you add with this 6 table. With that you add and write it. That way you will get the shortcut. How to do the shortcut. Okay, now let's do the division. First you will take 9. So small 9 is not here and smaller than 9 also not there. So you will take the next number. So now 91. 91 not there. So smaller than 91. 69 is there. So you will write here 69. And 69 is how many times? 1 time. So you will write on the top. Now you have to minus. So cannot minus. So you will borrow. So here is 8 and this will be 11. 11 minus 9. It is 2. 8 minus 6, 2. So now 22 is smaller than this divisor. So your division is correct. So now you have to carry the next number down. So 0 we have taken down. So 220. 220 is not here. So smaller than 220, the number is 207. And it is 3 times. So you will write 3 here. Now you have to minus. Here 0 7 will not go, so you will borrow. Here will be 1, this will be 10. 10 minus 7, 3, and 1 minus 0, 1. So now 13, your remainder is bigger than the divisor, so smaller than the divisor, so your division is correct. So now you have to take the next number down. It is 8. Now 138, you have to check. 138 is here. So write 138, and 138 is how many times? 2 times. Okay, so if you minus 8 minus 8 0, 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus 1 0. So here you are getting the quotient is 132 and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 132. So now last you have to take and write the answer. Therefore each shop gets 132 melons. Each shop gets 132 melons. So this is the way you have to complete your problems. See, this is not a rough work, so you have to do in the main page. This is rough work, so you are writing in the corner, in the right corner. You must know which is rough and which is the calculation. Calculation must be here in the main page. If it is not, this calculation is not there, only this answer is there, I won't give the marks. Just I will give 1 mark. For this only main mark is there, so you have to write this one. Okay, now the second example. Radhika bought 36 tickets of a show for rupees 9,360. Find the cost of each. So 36, the cost of 36 tickets is given and they are asking for each. Each means already I told 1. So given for 1 and asked for, no, given for many and asked for 1. Given for 36 and they are asking for 1, so you have to divide. So let's do the solution, and first let's write the statement. So the cost of 36 tickets. Okay, cost of 36 tickets is 9,360. Therefore cost of 1 ticket equal to 9,360 divided by 36. So this rupee symbol you have to write, that is compulsory. When the measurements or units are given, whether it is meter or liter or rupee, you have to write. Okay, so now let's divide. So to divide by 36, you must know the 36 table. So to write the 36 table, shortcut I will do 6 table and 3 table. 6 table. So to write the 36 table, 6 table I have written, 3 table I have written. Now the singular number, the single number in the ones place, that I will write as it is. So to write the 36 table, so this both are single only, so we will write as it is. So 36 ones are 36. This 2 we will write, and this 1 we will add here. So 6 plus 1, 7. Again this 8 you write as it is. This 1 you will add here. So 9 plus 1, 10. So this is 3 table. 3. Now 4 you write as it is. This 2 you add here. So 12 plus 2, 14. So this is 4 times. 0 you write here, and this 3 you add here. 15 plus 3, 18. This is 5 times. 6 you write as it is. This 3 you add here. So 18 plus 3, 21. This is 6 times. This 2 you write. Again this 4 you add here. 21 plus 4, 25. This is 7 times. This 8 you write. This 4 you add here. 24 plus 4, 28. So this is 8 times. 4 right here. 5 you add here. 27 plus 5, 32. So this is 9 times. Up to 9 only you have to write, so I have written. So now let's divide. So 9 is not there, smaller than 9 also not there, so we will go with next number, 93. So 93 is not here, smaller than 93, 72 is there. So let's write here 72. 72 is how many times? 2 times. So now we have to minus. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay, now your remainder is smaller than the divisor, so your division is correct. Now you take the next number down, 216. So 216, it is there. Okay, so let's write 216, and 216 is 6 times, so we will write 6 here. So now let's minus. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So all 0. Okay, one more 0 is there, so you have to take down 0. 0 if you divide by 36 is 0 only. Okay, 0 if you divide in 0 by any number, the answer is 0. So here you have to write 0. So 260. So here the question is 260, so the answer is 260. So the cost of, you have to take and write, therefore the cost of each ticket is rupees 260. Okay, the next sum is from exercise 5.4 E1. So this is little different, so I am explaining by myself. A shopkeeper puts 14 packets of chips in one box. Find maximum number of boxes he will need to put 17,822 packets of chips. How many packets will be left behind? So already I told left, the keyword left means it is subtraction. So in division lesson, why subtraction is coming? So you must remember. So left, it is compulsory, left is there, so you have to minus, subtraction is there. Again divide. Divide means I told you the word each or one should be there. It should be asked each or one. But here it is not asked for each or one. But I will say another keyword. It is need to. How many boxes are needed? Boxes needed. So if it is coming like this, boxes needed, if it comes like that, it is divide. Okay, other than that, if it is, I have given the keyword for division is given for many and asked for one. So mostly it will be there, but there are rare case, that is this one, how many boxes are needed for packing. So if in that situation, if they are asking how many boxes are needed for packing, there you have to divide. Again another one will be there, the how many kilometers it can run. That means that amount of petrol will be given or diesel will be given, and how many kilometers can be run, or how many hours that kilometers, no, this many kilometers, how many hours it will run. So like that, if it is asked that kilometer and hour, if it comes like that, there it is divide. Again another rare case is this one, how many boxes are needed for packing. So in these two cases it is a divide. Only there the keyword will not be mentioned, you have to understand the situation. So here how many boxes are needed, so you have to divide. And here left, another keyword left is there, so you have minus also. So let's first divide, write the statement and divide, then we have to do the minus. Okay, number of chips in one box is 14. Now number of boxes needed to put 17,822 chips are 17,822 divided by 14. So now we have to divide 17,822 by 14. So let's write the 14 table shortcut I will teach. So as for 4 table we have to arrange this one, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even number you have to arrange first. Okay, you have to arrange in this order. Okay, now first here 1, insert the number 1, again 2, then you leave 3. After writing 2 continuous number, then you will leave the next number 3, then you write 4, 5, then you leave the next number 6, then you write 7, after 7, 8, so after 8, 9 you will leave and you have to write 10, after 10, 11, again 12 you will leave and you will write 13, after 13, 10, 11, okay, here I made a mistake, here you have to write 9, 8, 9, after 8 and 9, so you will leave 10, 10 you will leave and write 11, after 11, here 12, then 13 you leave and here you have to write 14. Okay, this is the way we write the table. Shortcut I have written. Now 17. So I will write it here. So I have written the table here. Now 1 is not there. Now we will take next number 17. 17 is not there. Smaller than 17. 14 is there. 14 is how many times? 1 time. So I will minus now. 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Now take the next number down. 38. So 38 is not there. Smaller than 38. 28 is there. So 28 is how many times? 2 times. So now we will minus 8 minus 8, 0, 3 minus 2, 1. So now you will take the next number down. It is 2. 102 is not there. Smaller than 102, 98 is there. And 98 is how many times? 7 times. So now you will minus. You cannot minus, so you will borrow. So here 9 and this will be 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. So now you will take the next number down. It is 2. 42 is here. So you will write 42. That is 3 times. So now 42 minus 42, 0. Okay, so 1273 boxes are needed. And how many are left behind? So is there anything left behind? Remainder, do we have you got anything here? Nothing you have got, 0 only you have got. So nothing is left. So you have to write 1273 boxes are needed for packing. Boxes are needed. Again, nothing is left behind. Nothing is left behind. So this is the way we complete the answer. Okay, now in your book also, in the exercise, in your book the F is similar to same like this type one. So you do the same thing. Other things are as normal division problems. So you can do the homework. Thank you.